What's up guys, this is Garrett from Ruffstuff Specialties, and today I'm going to be going over our front TJ LJ bumper, so let's check it out. So a big reason people switch their front bumper out is one, it's clearance. So you're going to be hitting a lot of things when you're on the trail, rock crawling, you're going to be hitting your stock front bumper a lot. So one is getting rid of that, you're going to gain a ton of clearance. This being narrower than the stock bumper, you're not going to hit so much turning corners or coming off ledges with the height of this bumper versus your stock bumper. The other benefit of changing is when you gain that clearance, you're also going to gain a ton of strength over your stock bumper. So if you've hit your bumper on a rock before, you know it dents very easy, it's very thin, it's going to leave some marks. This bumper is beefy, it's thick, it's going to be able to handle a lot of abuse. So this bumper is a 1/4 inch thick, it's about 44 inches wide, just shy. And it comes with the 10 by 4.5 bolt pattern for the winch. You can use it as a suck down winch, or you can use it as a winch coming out of the front, just like a standard fairlead winch you always see. The nice thing about buying this in-house is welded by our expert welders here at Ruffstuff. The only thing that is an option on this is our bumper clevises. They're notched to fit on this bumper. If you do buy them, we do weld them here in-house for you too. This bumper is so much thicker and beefier than your stock one, you're going to be able to use it to hit rocks with instead of trying to avoid them.
If you like the video you just watched and like to support Ruffstuff, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon so you get notifications, like this video, and hit us up in the comments down below. If you'd like to see another awesome Ruffstuff video, check out this one.